For 2026, Ford will have the broadest powertrain lineup in the segment, but it's not just about the number. Each of these 4 engines is engineered to solve the exact problems that have been troubling truck buyers for years. If you're tired of choosing between a capability you can't afford and trucks that can't handle your workload, Ford's engine lineup eliminates that impossible choice forever. Most manufacturers force you to compromise between power and price, but Ford's 2026 Super Duty offers 4 distinct solutions that match your exact needs without paying for capabilities you'll never use. Number 4. 6.7-liter V8 Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel High Output. Picture this. You're hauling a 35,000-pound trailer up a 6% mountain grade, and your competition is starting to slow down while their engines scream for mercy. That's the exact scenario where Ford's high-output Power-Stroke becomes your secret weapon. This turbocharged and intercooled 32-valve diesel V8 generates the best-in-class 500 horsepower and an earth-moving 1,200 pound-feet of torque because Ford understands that when your livelihood depends on moving maximum loads, there's no substitute for absolute power. The frustration of being limited by your equipment disappears when you understand what this engine unlocks. The 1,200 pound-feet of torque is what unlocks the truck's maximum 40,000-pound towing rating when properly equipped with a gooseneck hitch. That means you can haul loads that would leave other trucks stranded on the side of the road. For fifth-wheel applications, this engine enables 35,000 pounds of towing capacity, while conventional towing reaches 30,000 pounds on properly configured models. When every pound of capacity translates to earning potential, these numbers represent real financial freedom. But here's where smart buying becomes critical. Ford is charging a substantial $12,495 premium for this high-output variant, therefore making it a significant financial commitment that only makes sense for specific applications. The engine comes standard on the limited trim but is available across F250, F350, and F450 models. A Lariat F250 with this powertrain can exceed $90,000, while Platinum configurations can surpass $100,000. This powertrain makes financial sense for hotshot trucking operations, heavy equipment contractors, and anyone regularly approaching maximum towing limits because the premium price becomes justified when the truck's capability directly impacts your bottom line. But if you're willing to sacrifice a bit of capabilities for unmatchable smoothness and superior reliability, here comes the right engine for you. Number 3. 7.3-liter V8 Godzilla. There's nothing more frustrating than being stuck behind a diesel truck at the fuel pump, watching the owner deal with DEF fluid, regeneration cycles, and complex maintenance schedules when you just want to fill up and get back to work. Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 eliminates all that complexity while delivering the muscle you actually need. This overhead valve engine produces 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque through straightforward engineering that prioritizes getting the job done over impressing engineers. The beauty of this approach becomes clear when you need serious capability without diesel headaches. Ford is making this engine standard on XLT and higher trims, including King Ranch and Platinum configurations, which means you're getting substantial power without stepping into diesel complexity. The widespread availability across popular trims makes it accessible to small business owners who need robust performance but prefer the simplicity of pulling into any gas station and filling up with regular unleaded. When your trailer starts pushing back on steep grades, the Godzilla's torque delivery shows its true character. Maximum towing capacity reaches 25,000 pounds, while payload capacity can exceed 8,000 pounds in properly configured dual rear wheel F350 models. For contractors who prioritize hauling materials over extreme towing, these numbers mean you can load your truck bed with confidence. Fifth wheel towing capacity approaches 19,000 pounds in F250 configurations, which handles the vast majority of recreational and commercial trailer applications. The financial advantage becomes obvious when you examine the entry point. The cheapest way to get this engine is through the F250 XLT at $51,070, representing only a modest increase over the base model. This pricing strategy makes substantial power accessible without the premium costs associated with diesel ownership, maintenance, and fuel additives. Fuel economy estimates mirror the base gasoline engine at 12 to 15 miles per gallon highway and 8 to 10 miles per gallon city, but one test recorded an impressive 20.6 miles per gallon under ideal conditions. While this shouldn't be considered typical performance, it demonstrates the engine's efficiency potential when conditions align perfectly. But let's say that you'd rather get a diesel torque without paying the price premium. This next engine might be your ideal choice. Number 2. 6.7-liter V8 Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel Standard Output. Every experienced truck owner knows the sinking feeling of watching fuel costs eat into profits on long hauls, especially when you're towing heavy loads day after day. Ford's standard output Powerstroke eliminates that anxiety by delivering the efficiency you need for profitable operations. This 90-degree V8 turbodiesel generates 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque through engineering that prioritizes long-term durability over short-term impressive numbers. The sophisticated design reveals why this engine excels at sustained heavy work. A compacted graphite iron block paired with aluminum cylinder heads provides the durability needed for commercial applications while reducing overall weight that would otherwise hurt payload capacity. Ford includes an engine exhaust brake and operator-commanded regeneration to help manage heavy loads and maintain the diesel particulate filter during demanding work cycles, which means fewer unexpected maintenance stops when you're on deadline. The performance numbers justify every penny of the diesel premium when you're making money with your truck. An F-250 can tow up to 22,000 pounds with fifth wheel or gooseneck setups, while the engine enables maximum conventional towing of 21,200 pounds and maximum fifth wheel towing of 35,000 pounds across the Super Duty lineup. Payload capacity reaches up to 7,640 pounds, making it suitable for the vast majority of commercial applications without stepping up to the premium high-output version. But the real financial advantage appears at the fuel pump. Estimates show 20 miles per gallon highway when unloaded and 10 to 14 miles per gallon in city driving, which translates to substantial savings over gasoline engines on high-mileage applications. This engine targets commercial users who tow regularly but don't need absolute maximum capacity, RV owners with large trailers, and anyone prioritizing long-haul fuel efficiency over maximum bragging rights. The diesel efficiency advantage is impressive, but what if you need capability without complexity or premium pricing? That's where Ford's Foundation engine proves that sometimes simple solutions work best. Number 1. 6.8-liter V8. Fleet managers lose sleep over unpredictable maintenance costs and complex systems that leave trucks stranded when deadlines are approaching. Ford's 6.8-liter gasoline V8 eliminates those worries by serving as the bulletproof foundation of the entire Super Duty lineup. Officially designated as the 6.8-liter 2-valve DEV-CTNA PFI V8, this engine produces 400 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque through proven technology that prioritizes reliability over complexity. The genius of this approach becomes clear when you need trucks that work every day without drama. Ford positions this engine as standard equipment on the base XL trim, making it the most accessible entry point into heavy-duty truck ownership. This strategic placement targets fleet operators and budget-conscious buyers who understand that consistent performance trumps impressive specifications when you're running a business. Despite being the base engine, the 6.8-liter delivers capability that would have been considered impressive in premium trucks just a few years ago. Properly configured models achieve payload capacity up to 4,642 pounds with single rear wheel F2, 50 regular cab configurations handling approximately 4,268 pounds with the heavy-duty payload package. Maximum conventional towing reaches 24,000 pounds, while maximum trailering capacity hits 14,100 pounds. For contractors who need to haul equipment, trailers, and materials, fifth-wheel towing approaches 17,000 pounds in F-250 applications. The financial advantage becomes obvious when you examine the total cost of ownership. The cheapest variant starts at $47,870 for an F-250 Super Duty regular cab XL, making it the most affordable entry into the heavy-duty segment. This pricing strategy creates clear separation from more expensive options while ensuring maximum value for buyers who don't need extreme capability. The 6.8-liter targets fleet managers focused on total acquisition costs, contractors with moderate towing needs, and buyers who prioritize simplicity over maximum capability. This engine proves that base level doesn't mean basic when it comes to Ford's heavy-duty engineering. Ford's four-engine approach isn't about offering more options. It's about matching specific powertrains to distinct use cases that reflect how people actually use their trucks. The 6.8-liter V8 dominates the fleet and budget-conscious market where reliability and low cost matter most. The 7.3-liter Godzilla serves buyers who want diesel-level power with gasoline simplicity. The standard Powerstroke targets serious towing applications with excellent fuel economy. The high-output Powerstroke handles extreme scenarios where capability directly impacts profitability. The genius lies in how these engines avoid direct competition with each other. Each powertrain occupies a distinct price point and capability level, therefore allowing buyers to select precisely the performance they need without paying for unused potential. This approach maximizes value while minimizing compromise, proving that the 2026 Super Duty lineup isn't just powerful, it's strategically engineered for real-world success. Without any doubt, Ford's powertrain lineup looks impressive, but rivals like the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado HD, which we reviewed in our next video, have a lot to offer as well. If you think that the fact that Chevy offers just 2 powertrain options in the segment is a weakness, wait to see how they perform and what they are capable of. GM engineered its engines to perfection, not in terms of max ratings, but refinement, fuel efficiency, and reliability.